Miss La Rosa coming at ya. Make sure you hit the link button below to subscribe. Just kidding. Y'all know I'm not YouTube famous. But we can dream, can't we? So we're going to review converting fractions and percents and scientific notation into square roots. We're going to be comparing and ordering numbers, and the easiest way to do that is to turn them into decimals. So let's review how to do that. So first, we're going to focus on just this section here. We're going to focus on turning fractions into decimals. The way that we turn decimals into fractions, two different ways. What we did last year was we made sure to divide. Remember, when you're dividing, the top dog gets the house. So if I have this number 1/4, my top number goes inside my box for division, my bottom number goes on the outside, and I just divide the standard way. Drop in your decimal. 4 does not go into 1. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down another 0. 4 goes into 25 times. And it comes out pretty. So 1/4 is a decimal, would be 0.25. 3 and 1/9, if we have a mixed number like this, we still are going to divide that fraction, and then when we're turning it into a decimal, we can't forget that 3 out front. So first, we're just going to worry about that fraction, just worry about that 1/9. Top dog gets the house. 9 goes outside. If you had my class last year, we talked about the trick when you have a 9 in the denominator. How many times does 9 go into 10? Once. Subtract. Bring down a 0. Oh my goodness, what's happening here? 9 into 10 once. We have repeating. We have a repeating 1. So, again, we get that 0.1 repeating. When you have a 9 in the denominator, whatever your numerator is, that number is going to be what repeats over and over and over again. So we have 0.1 repeating, but that's not it. We can't forget that 3 out front. So this would be 3.1 repeating for our decimal form. You could also do these in the calculator. Again, it's just division. So for this first one, I would do 1 divided by 4. I get 0.25. You guys don't get this fraction one. I'm just using the regular Desmos. The Virginia SOL, you don't get this. So don't get used to having that there. The next one, 3 and 1/9. For the 3 and 1/9, do 1 divided by 9. You see you get that 0.1 repeating, but then don't forget to put that 3 out front. Don't forget to put that 3 out front. We've got 3 examples down there. Go ahead, pause the video, try those 3 on your own, and we'll see how you do. Once you've gotten your answer, type an X in the chat so we know you're ready to share. Type an X in the chat when you're done so we know you're ready to share. Hopefully for these answers, you got 0.4, 1.25, and 2.25. Sorry, that was 1.125. It's kind of ugly written in there. Let us know if you guys have any questions on this. But if we're good, we're going to slide over and convert percents into decimals.